your baby. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever yours.
Kahapon brown out dito pero nandito pa rin kami. Sikihor needs more appreciation.
My motive right now is to get a trophy wife.
Yeah, stop choco shaming.
Yung intention ko na lang for this trip, to be on a reflective mode.
A gelato? Yeah. Disco?
Young in your arms, until the stars by you and me. Oh, I love you, gon' love you like summer 15.
Itim ko na.
Ako din.
Ay, maitim talaga ako.
bilis.
Hindi pala talaga ako.
Ang itim ko na. First travel with Nate.
Hi guys.
Hi guys! We're back! Yay! So hungry. Wow. Wow.
Summer na summer. Last stress. Tirik na araw. Ang sarap na malamig. Pero siya nakadiet siya.
Mango shake without sugar and milk.
So with a lot of sugar. Ang sarap guys. You
Asan
gotta
yung
try this.
sprinkle mo?
Kumulagay.
Stop choco shaming, guys. May ano kami kay Alec ngayon, sinishame namin siya for loving chocolate so much. So, ang tawag namin ay choco shaming.
Yeah, stop choco shaming.
Let people enjoy.
Let people enjoy their chocolate. That's my
Masarap
new
ba?
advocacy.
Masarap ba? Binayaran mo ba? Okay, nice.
Hi. Meron
Pakita
siyang
mo.
cocoa berry and it has a gelato, a biscoff.
Biscoff or something.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Ay.
Tayo na naman ang magkakasamang kumain. Nasa ano pala kami, Dolce Amore. Parang ang ganda, parang may pool dito. Tara, i-invade natin. Wow.
Chocolayan siya. Partial ng chocolayan.
Bakit?
Yung support ko niya yung
Binigyan kanya ng
biscuit.
nag-donate. Okay. Sarap. Sorry, we're still sleeping. I'm so sorry, but we're still sleeping. Tingnan mo naman si Gold.
Sarap na tulog ko dito. Totoo. Ay,
Hello! We're here at Roadside Diner. Magla-lunch pa lang kami. 3 o'clock na. Nabudol kasi kami ni Alec mag-meeting. After naman mag-meeting sa Fig Cafe. Wala na akong video kasi ang haba ng meeting namin. Ayan. Kakain naman kami ngayon. So, we have chicken inasal and gulay. Ano sa'yo? Chicken inasal din. Tapos may nakasalubong kami dito. Parang familiar face. Ayun o. Yes, nagulat kami dito din sila. Kain man tayo.
Let the summer breeze carry us away.
Wrap time.
Let the summer breeze carry us away, baby, to a place where the sun always shines on to summer lovers. 'Cause before you know it, the summer has gone.
Good morning! So, we're in Sikihor. And I'm so happy to finally open this vlog. Bakit ba nandito na naman ako? Na-book namin tong Sikihor nung kami, Cafe 1023. Parang nag-post si Ann ng fairy walk niya. Tapos parang kami, okay, mag-Sikihor din tayo. Ganun. Pero nakabook din kami for Siargao. ng end of the month. So parang medyo clutch talaga to. And last week, parang ayaw na nga namin sumama nila Alec. Kasi, ayun nga, magkasunod yung mga travels. Kakabalik lang namin from Japan. Tapos may Siargao pa. Tapos ngayon, Siquijor. Parang really wanted to like stay for the business, diba? Pero we decided to, sige, finally go and just have a different intention for the trip. So, si Alec, ang intention niya talaga for the trip is to, ano pinaka-intention mo? To work. Inspired work. Like, this is what's possible. Like, working in an island, working while having fun, gano'n. While me, initially, wala akong masabing intention. Like, sabi ko lang, oh, matulog, mag-rest. Which is true, kasi I really wanna rest peacefully. And I feel like the past 2 days, ganun din talaga. Kaya hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog ng mga activities namin. Kasi, pagdating namin dito, yung trip pa lang from the airport going here, di ko na vinlog eh. Kasi, alam kong magulo dahil magfe-ferry ride, magmomotor, ganun. And then yesterday, yun, nag-chill day lang din kami. Pero nag-meeting kasi kaming super tagal, like 5 hours. So, hindi ko na rin na-vlog yun. Kasi ang intention naman ni Alec ay inspired work and I just let him. Anyway, tingnan nyo guys, parang feeling ko umitim na ako kasi hindi na match yung Sola na light beige. Baka mag-sand beige ako bigla. Mag-isang color ako. So, ano ba yung pinaka-intention ko going here? Kahapon nag-meeting kami nila Alec na parang, technically, parang we're restructuring the company. We're doing, kasi we attended this course. It's called PACE, which I highly recommend to all business owners, small and medium business owners. Like, you really need to attend PACE. So, we attended that, and one of the things that they advise there is to work on the roles. So, yung roles namin sa company, yung inaayos namin ngayon. And before you do that, kailangan alam mo yung motive ng bawat isa sa company mo. So, yung motive is basically the motivation behind working. I'm really not working for any bigger goal. I'm working for just money. It's really financial freedom. It's really living life in my own terms. It's traveling the world. Kahapon napaisip talaga ako during our meeting na pa-reflect talaga ako kung ano ba yung motive ko. Yung motive ko talaga ngayon, aside from, of course, being able to travel, so that's time freedom, having money, financial freedom, having money to do everything that I want. It's also, my motive right now is to be able to become a trophy wife. Like, gusto ko talaga maging mayaman na housewife na parang gumagawa lang ng content, gano'n. Housewife na may work, may business pa din, maraming investments, pero trophy wife. Like, yun talagang kinikreate ko. I think, ilang years ko na rin sinasabi na ang goal ko maging trophy wife. Even when I was very single, well, sinasabi ko na talaga na, goal ko kasi maging trophy wife. Ganun, kasi feeling ko ang ganda ng life ng trophy wife. Like, in a few years, I hope Alec gets to be super duper duper rich. Pero, I know that the only way that will happen is for me to support Alec. Support him in the early days of his business. Kasi I know na sobrang compliment kami when it comes to business. So, yun yung gusto ko na, yes, trophy wife ako, but I also built that man. And I also built that business with him. Sana itong vlog na to, pag naging trophy wife ako, mabalikan ko to, tapos masabi ko talaga na, na-manifest ko talaga yung life na meron ako. Pero it has to be Alec. Walang other choice. The partner should be Alec. It's non-negotiable. Comment below if pangarap nyo rin yan, maging mayaman na housewife. Kasi mahirap naman yung housewife na wala kang pera. Mas gusto ko yung housewife na marami kang pera. Tapos, diba, yung problema mo is, magma-Mary Grace kaya kami ng mga amiga ko. That will not happen overnight. So, we're gonna work. After the planning, parang ang naging intention ko is to be on reflective mode. Because, yun na nga, parang how many years ang iniisip ko lang is magkapera. Tapos ngayon, parang naisip ko, iba na pala yung motivation ko. We wanna buy a house. We wanna buy a house. We wanna start a family. We wanna settle down and all of those things. Well, of course, pinag-uusapan na yung marriage, yung wedding, yung settling down, yung buying a house. Parang ang naiisip ko is, hindi ko siya talaga parang top of mind na yun pala yung motive ko. Di ko nare-realize na yun pala yung motive ko. And because of the time that we actually spent to talk about our own motives in life, I got to reflect. So sabi ko, ito yung pinaka-intention ko na lang. When I woke up this morning, ito yung naisip ko na yung intention ko na lang for this trip is to be on a reflective mode of every aspect of my life. Alam nyo ba this year, ito na yung last 2 trips ko. Itong Siquijor and then Siargao. Hindi ko sure kung mag-El Nido ako. Wow, Philippine trip, no? After that, sabi ko, di mo na talaga ako magta-travel because I'm gonna be focusing on other things, which is one, my health. So, I wanna make sure na yung routine ko when it comes to my meals and also my workouts, hindi siya magugulo. And then, number 2 is setting up systems for the business. So, I really wanna make sure na next year when I go out, when I leave, parang anak mong magulo. Ba yun? So, next year, when I go out, when I leave, parang gusto ko, alam kong may system in place. This year, pag na-set up ko lahat yan, pwede na ulit ako mag-travel in peace. Kasi ayoko na mag-travel ng may dalang trabaho. Nag-assign na ng hangin mag-vlog ako and I really have to go. So, yeah, let's go and make this a reflective... Ano ba? Sure. Let's make this a reflective trip. We're staying pala at Wilcon Guest House. Sobrang ganda niya. Para siyang yung dream farmhouse. Diba? Nice. Ngayon pupunta tayo La Canopy. Magpa-party-party.
Reason why I should stay. 'Cause you got 2 minutes.
Ito na yung mga fantasy kong friends. Hi! You're back!
Good morning. Good morning.
Smart to say. 'Cause I'm already on my way. I heard them whisper behind my.
Guys, we're at Runic. Sobrang fantasy. Oh my gosh, yung tan lines ko. There's a pool, may DJ doon, and may cabana kami. We are back at our hotel. Kami lang ni Alec umuwi kasi ipapamassage sana kami pero wala talaga kaming makitang like massage area na maganda. Parang nakakatakot yung mga massage na nadaanan namin. So, baka magpamassage kami dito sa room, which I'm so happy kasi inayos na nila yung beds. So, dito kami ni Alec, dun si Nate, and then dun si Gob. So, yan. So, anyway, baka magpamassage kami or mag-binge na lang kami. Alam nyo guys, di ko ata na-share dito sa vlog. But we've been watching The Chosen. Like, you can go to The Chosen TV. The Chosen.tv ata. Basta nanonood kami sa iPad ni Alec ng The Chosen. It's free and you get to understand the New Testament, the story of Jesus, the story of the Gospels, and story ng disciples. Kaya, ang ganda-ganda. So, medyo na-addict kami. Para siyang This Is Us for us. Kung alam niyo yung This Is Us. If you know, you know. So, para siyang series na inaabangan talaga namin panoorin every night. So, either that or we're gonna watch some vlogs. Nag-agree si Alec. It's Sunday, so ako masusunod. Saan ba kami nagpunta today? Pagod na pagod ako. Sobrang dilim ko na, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang dilim ko na talaga. So, anyway, nagpunta kami today sa La Canopy. So, I think I have shots. Ang ganda niya. Sobra. Super expensive din yung food. I think yung food ko, tapa, was around 450. Basta yung bill namin was like 8K. Ganun. And then, we went to Samandoong. Sobrang layo niya. So, kung nakamotor kayo, medyo na-trauma ako sa motor. Parang sakit talaga ng puwet ko, kaya gusto ko magpamassage. Dahil dun sa travel, papuntang Samandoong. Pero pagdating namin dun, guys, sobrang daming tao. As in, hindi namin na-realize na Sunday. So, think Pansol, pero sama-sama sila sa isang beach, ganun. So, mga family na may tables, may mga dala silang ulam, ganun. Basta, ang dami talagang tao. Although, doon kasi may cliff, tapos ang ganda ng mga shots sa TikTok, medyo nabudol kami. Mura lang naman yung entrance. I think it was 50 pesos for one person and then 15 per motor yung parking. So, umalis na lang kami kasi sobrang daming tao. Which is sobrang layo din nun. Mga 1 hour ata kami nagmotor papunta doon. Kaya sobrang dilim ko na talaga, guys. And then after that, pumunta kami sa isa na namang beach pero may trail papunta. So, sabi namin ni Alec, alis na kami. Mag-work na lang kami. Ganun. So, we got our iPads here. And then we went to Coco Grove. Kaya lang Coco Grove naman. Ang ganda niya. It's the only 5-star hotel here in Siquijor. Pero it's fully booked kanina. Fully booked talaga siya kasi nga parang 5-star siya, ganun. So, kahit yung restaurant nila, fully booked daw.
So, initially punta ulit kaming U-Story kasi super ganda. Pero we went to Runic. Oh my gosh, guys, sobrang ganda sa Runic. Doon kami nag-party. Siguro dumating kami din, Alec, doon mga 3:45, ganun. And we were able to get a cabana. Although, ang ganda niya, pero buti na lang umalis kami. Kasi yung kabana namin hanggang 11 p.m. sana. For 2,500 ata yun for 3 packs. Pero guys, ang mahal ng bill namin. I think yung bill namin was 14,000 yung bill namin sa Runic. Mahal. Mahal talaga. As in, super mahal. Yung sa amin lang ni Alec was 6K. Minus yung kay Nate, 1K. So, mga 5K yung sa amin lang ni Alec. And mga merienda lang yun Pero buti na lang, nag-order din kasi kami ng steak. So, yun na yung dinner namin. Tomorrow, Monday, I think, and I hope, sana less tao sa mga pupuntahan. Kasi last full day namin tomorrow. Actually, full day din yung Thursday, Tuesday. Pero, ta-transfer na kami papuntang Dumaguete. And then, I think magtutour kami sa around Dumaguete. So, talagang tomorrow is our last day. I think we're going to Falls, ganun. Tapos, hindi ko na alam. Pero guys, alam nyo, napansin ko lang, Siquijor needs more tourism and appreciation. Sobrang ganda ng Siquijor. It's like a virgin island. And actually, ang dami pang possible businesses dito. So, if may idea kayo or may money kayo, may capital kayo, and you really want to start like a beach business, I think Siargao, La Union, very na sila, crowded. But Siquijor is a good spot to start a business. Sobrang mura din dito. Pero you can also price up. Yun na nga, katulad sa Runic. Wala lang, heads up lang. If gusto ninyo ng business, ganun, start kayo dito sa Siquijor. Tama ako. Mag-invest lang ako. Ayun lang. See you tomorrow for day 4. Day 4.
Good morning! It's our 4th day in this island. May mga favorite spots na kami. And today, nandito kami sa favorite spot namin dahil mag-work kami ni Alec. So sila Gold, sila, waterfalls, ganyan. Pero kami, wala. Dito lang kami sa U-Story. Bumalik kami ng U-Story kasi it's so nice. Tingnan nyo guys Siyempre yung kadate ko, busy. Gusto ko pala dito sa U-Story kasi katabi lang siya ng resort namin, halos. And ang daming options sa food. So yung mga grilled, madami sila dito and pwede sa akin yun. Okay, in-order ko omelette and a fritada. Sarap! Let's go! This is just a regular meal. This is mine, omelette, a fritada, rice.
Ito pala yung cereal.
Huh?
Cereal.
Cereal.
Real cereal. Oh, wow.
Oh, damn.
Can I let you see the real me? Will you hang around or will you break free? Would you break free? I just need to know. Would you let me go if I tell you what's on my mind? I know.
We're at Palitan Beach. Wala yung friends namin pero nakapark sila. So, feeling ko nandito sila sa mga adventure places. So, hanapin natin.
Hindi pa yun sa ordinaryo So, pag may nakita tayong beach, hindi tayo.
May beach pa po doon? Okay.
Salamat.
Doon yan sila. Sure na sure talaga ako. Gusto nun may trekking pa Ayan pinag-trek pa kami.
Haba.
Okay, ang dami pang tao. Paano natin sila mahanap dito? Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Ito na. Doon na kami sa beach kanina. Nag-hiking pa nga. Okay, feeling ko sure na positive nandito sila. Sabi ko na imposibleng nandun sila sa first level 1, ganon. Hindi yan, papayag level 1 lang sila. Level 10, mag-hike sila. Guys, puro afam dito. Wow. Okay lang magpa-picture.
If I tell you what's on my mind, another day.
Ooh, yummers! Yum!
When I let you know, the love I may grow.
Tama. Oo, kumagat. Ang sarap.
Never leave. Back to you and me.
Guys, we're here again at Siki Crep. Pabalik-balik lang sila. I think galing na sila dito kanina, kahapon, isang araw. Everyday sila nandito. Second or third time ko na rin nandito. Kahapon brown out dito pero nandito pa rin kami. So, bibigay ko na lang mga recos ko in Siquijor. First reco ko is Baja Bar. You should try to eat there at least once here because ang ganda ng vibe doon. Very homey, very cozy. And then yung food nila, malaking serving and masarap. Masarap yun talaga yung food nila. And then second is Dolce Amore. Although salad lang yung kinain ko, sila nagpizza sila and pasta. Masarap. Masarap siya. Tapos nag-gelato din sila doon. So kung naghanap kayo ng gelato, especially sobrang init dito sa Siquijor, Dolce Amore. And then, Siki Crepe. Of course, Siki Crepe. Masarap daw eh. Hindi ako kumakain eh. Pero masarap daw. Pabalik-balik kami dito. So, kung bet nyo mag-crepe sa island, dito na lang. And then, ano pa bang mga recos natin? Roadside Diner. So, yun. Roadside Diner. Kumain sila ulit doon. Masarap din doon. And U-Story. U-Story, malaki yung serving nila. Fair price. Maganda. Fantasy talaga doon. May beach, may pool. So, I highly recommend.
I was just a kid when I met you, honey. Working on my daydreams. Down bed wishing you'd come and save me. If only I'd have a time machine back then, I'd see us dancing in the kitchen night. No one thought we could ever make it. Didn't know time could move so fast. 10 years later and I'm still your baby. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me. Of our love, she gon' love you like summer 15.
Hindi naman siya sobrang fine. Mabato pa din siya. Boracay pa din yung fine sand. Pero, than doon sa may Shaka, mas ano to na babe, mas fine. So, kung gusto niyo talaga mag-swimming and mag-beach, dito, Palitan Beach here sa dulo ng Siquijor. Dulo. Guys, we're back at Punic. Dito kami. Mas chill sila ngayon. Mag-work muna kami before we check out ng 4:30. Ano oras na? 1 o'clock na. So, I think mag-work tayo mga 2 hanggang 3, no? 2 hours. So, dito sa Runic, kapag ka, I think table lang and hindi ka kumuha ng cabana, around 800 pesos per head yung entrance. Including na yung use of pool and then may beach towel. Yeah, pwede maligo. Mag-work muna kami dito. Baka mag-pool din ako. Ang init guys, kaya nakaangat na yung hair ko. Sobrang init. Mag-work muna kami. We are back home. Di na ako nakapag-vlog kasi pag uwi namin sa hotel, naligo kami. Tapos sabay-sabay na kami doon naligo lahat kasi lumipat na rin sila Mika sa room. And then, nag-travel kami. Pinikop na namin yung food. Nagpalitan ng motor. Ang dami nangyari. So, yung travel namin was supposed to be 6 o'clock going to Dumaguete. And then, yung flight namin was around 10:30 or 10 o'clock. 30 minutes delayed yung ferry namin from Siquijor to Dumaguete. So, kumain pa kami dinner and medyo mabagal yung serving. So, basically, tumakbo-takbo kami sa airport para hindi kami malate. So, mga ganong ganap. And the next thing I know, I'm in Manila. I'm at home. So happy to be home because I'm so excited to work starting tomorrow. But, okay, I just want to close the vlog because I think Siquijor is one of the cheapest provinces that I've ever been to in the Philippines. Even cheaper than Davao. I think may mga mahal kaming nakainan like La Canopy and Runic. Pero aside from that, like sobrang affordable lahat. Yung gas namin was 150 for the whole trip, or nag-gas kami isa pa, 250 ganon, 250 max. Motor namin was 400 per day, times 5, that's 2,000 pesos. And then yung food, very, very minimal. Sobrang mura ng split-wise namin as a group. And, ito pa guys, if you're really looking for a place to do work from home, or parang digital nomad ka, ganon, I highly suggest Siquijor for the Wi-Fi. But not for the connection. Kasi sobrang hina ng signal doon. Like, walang mga Globe, Smart, sobrang dalang. That's why, most of the establishments has free Wi-Fi. Kasi nga, ang pangit ng signal doon. Yeah, I think Siquijor, all in all, it's very magical. Hopefully, sa next balik ko, mas prepared ako mentally to do water activities like diving, waterfalls, hiking, mga ganon. Pero it's just that this trip, we just knew that 70% of the time we would be working ni Alec. So medyo nandun yung mood ng mind namin. So hindi kami masyadong game swimming, ganun. All in all, it was a fun trip. I think ngayon lang ulit ako nag-summer trip na talagang beach, ganun. And I'm excited because next week we're going to another place. What is it with me na iniikot ko yung Pilipinas? We don't know. But yeah, before I pause traveling, hopefully ma-enjoy nyo tong mga vlog na to. And hopefully mapuntahan nyo din yung mga places na napupuntahan namin. Good night. Bye-bye.